Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, confirm your iPhone model and iOS version so you know available options. Flip the ring/silent switch on the side to silent. This immediately suppresses most camera sounds. If you prefer, press a side volume button and hold until volume reaches 0. Make sure the on-screen indicator shows muted. Once done, open camera and test a quick shot. This step is fast and prevents the shutter noise without changing deeper settings. Next, change behavior that actually controls sound. Enable Live Photo in the camera app by tapping the circular live icon. Live Photo often suppresses the shutter click because it records continuous frames. If Live Photo isn't desirable, plug in wired headphones or connect a Bluetooth headset. The sound routes there and won't emanate from the phone speaker. Make sure Bluetooth is paired under Settings Bluetooth. Also check Do Not Disturb. Isn't blocking necessary alerts unintentionally. To finish, take several test photos to confirm the sound is gone. If you still hear a shutter, restart your iPhone, that clears temporary audio glitches, and check Settings General Software Update to install any fixes. In some regions, shutter sound is enforced by law. If so, use Live Photo or a third-party camera app that records without a click. If problems continue, make sure your side switch is fully engaged and your volume truly reads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.